Now hear this proclamation, whereas Lord Reverend Justin Brady, thereafter referred to as the Lord, having, by way of petition, delivered unto the intention to purchase, and has birthed the intention to accept. I can't read that small of a font. I'm a lord now. And this costume is hot. Hello, YouTube, questocrats, travelers, and people, IRL, that hear my mouth voice on a regular basis. This is the Fall of Man, and I am the Lord Reverend Justin Brady. Verifiable. Let's proceed. As I was saying, the Fall of Man, edition of Shin Megami Tensei 5. Yes, I already bought this game as a digital version, but the special edition version comes with a bunch of goodies, as you will soon see. And I'm going to rip into this, but, I wanted to document the experience for me. You'll see that I've employed the use of the Saber of Kirkendall to break the cellophane ever so carefully. There we go, Shin Megami Tensei 5. Shin Megami Tensei 5, I believe, translates loosely The True Goddess Reborn. That's the 5th installment of this game on the Nintendo Switch. I enjoy this franchise a lot. A lot of people enjoy the Persona Series 2. That's an offshoot of Shin Megami Tensei, who's been doing demon capturing, summoning, and fusion before Pokemon. So chew on that. You see the inside of the box has, it looks a little bit much like the attract art for Nocturne. All the demon silhouettes, their eyes glowing. Comes with a backpack. Sorry for the crinklies. Got Jack Frost down at the bottom. Gee. If I can wear this, I definitely will. Probably more like yeah, it's probably if I could wear it as a crossbody bag, I totally would. More on that later. But yeah, that's not really a great design. It's just a bar, but the bag seems solid quality. You got the back that has the sweat absorbent foam. You got a pouch in there. Your big, hide your keys and stuff in there, and then a big open pouch with a large tag. Okay, so 2 compartments. Not it's definitely not Louis Vuitton, but it's got Jack Frost on it. Here's what I'm super interested about. We got a CD soundtrack in a DVD case. Get that cellophane off of there. Disc 1, series soundtrack. Disc 2, okay, Shin Megami Tensei 5 soundtrack. So it's a selection. No doubt more than 25 tracks in the whole game. Personally, I grew up with the Demon Negotiation theme. So the case art is pretty nice on the inside. It's just black and white. And the CDs, I mean, they're CDs. Underneath that is, okay, so the book looks kind of faded. I see what they're going for. A bunch of text over top of text over top of text over top of Square Enix 90s title topography. You can barely make it out though. It's a bunch of symbols. The demon guide though on the inside is very well made, well colored. Little blurbs about all the demons. And Okay, so that's super cool. Something a fan would like. You know, I like that stuff, yes. Aside from how they printed the cover, I'd give that a high rating. And then lastly in the box is the Steelbook Addiction. Steelbook Addiction. Freudian slip, Steelbook edition of Shin Megami Tensei 5. I love that art. It's different. I mean, it's very evocative of what you're getting into, but it's a little bit happier. Like Nintendo said, we know you're making like the bleakest god game RPG type deal ever, but you know, could you not really advertise how bleak it is from the outset? And they did a pretty good job with that. Yeah, I was looking for Sega's name. Sega, I guess, is doing a lot of the promotion and production for this game, but it shows. It shows the Nahabino's blue color is very evocative of a certain hedgehog. The run animation for Nahabino, the Naruto throw the arms behind the back and just zap is very evocative of Sonic, and it's just hilarious to see everybody, well, not everybody, but people being able to do that right as Sega can just not for so many years. But anyways, yes, Steelbook Addiction. Did it again. Steelbook Edition of Shin Megami Tensei 5. You got your little game card there. If you taste it, you'll notice that these small games, yeah, that's gross. They put a bittergent in the plastic so babies don't eat them, or at least think twice about eating them. Yuck. But so good. That's the Nahabino right there. Okay, so Steelbook. As previously stated, I already had the digital version of this game, and I bought it again with all the goodies, and I don't care what you think of me. Peace! Henshin. So, in summation, if you are a fan, like me, of the SMT franchise, and you are able to find this on Amazon close to the suggested MSRP, I recommend that you pick it up. There are still copies as of December 12th out there for MSRP. Don't pay over it. I don't know why all these special editions just dried up the second they were even available, he said sarcastically. It's unfortunate that things are like that, but I think really this was a niche enough product that anybody who would have tried to scalp immensely on it probably got taught a lesson, because you know the people who want this are definitely getting a product, and I'm not seeing too many people buy it in upsale. So yeah, if this is your yum, go for it. I'm going to be using this bag. And yeah, I like video games. If in real life I say something related to Shin Megami Tensei, what have you, and you're like, what's a Shimma Dooba Dooba Doo? I just might direct you here. Until next time, I've been Klee, and la la la, da da da.